If you're looking to start your riding journey in 2025, here are the top 5 motorcycles for beginners that perfectly balance power, weight, and ease of use. At number 5, the KTM 390 Duke is an exciting choice for beginners who want some extra thrill. It's lightweight, sharp, and features a 373cc engine that's punchy but not overwhelming. With an upright position and advanced features, it builds confidence while still delivering sporty fun. At 4, the Royal Enfield Hunter 350 brings a classic retro look paired with a smooth 349cc engine, low seat height, and very beginner-friendly handling. It's ideal for relaxed rides around town and helps you build skill without stress. Number 3 is the Kawasaki Ninja 400, widely considered the best starter sport bike on the market. Its 399cc twin-cylinder engine is lively yet predictable. And with ABS plus stable cornering, it's great for learning to ride at higher speeds without fear. At 2, the Yamaha MT-03 combines aggressive naked bike styling with a comfortable upright stance. Its 321cc twin is responsive and forgiving, making it excellent for daily commuting and weekend fun. Finally, at number 1, the Honda CB300R leads the pack. This bike is ultra-light, nimble, and powered by a smooth 286cc engine that's easy to master. With excellent fuel economy, simple maintenance, and Honda's legendary reliability, it's truly the perfect motorcycle to kickstart your riding journey with total confidence. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Aries Communication for more tech updates every week.